In the manufacturing industry, an end effector is a device that is attached to the end of a robotic arm or other automated machinery. Its purpose is to manipulate or interact with the materials or products being manufactured. End effectors can take many forms, depending on the specific application. Some common types include grippers, suction cups, and specialized tools for cutting, welding, or painting. End effectors are an essential component of modern manufacturing processes, as they allow for precise and efficient handling of materials and products. By automating tasks that would otherwise require human intervention, end effectors can increase productivity, reduce labor costs, and improve product quality. They can also improve workplace safety by reducing the risk of injury from repetitive or hazardous tasks. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and production of custom material handling solutions. As such, end effectors are a critical component of many of the company's products. Berkness Company's team of engineers and technicians has extensive experience in designing and integrating end effectors into a wide range of manufacturing applications. Whether the task involves picking and placing small parts, handling large and heavy objects, or performing complex assembly operations, Berkness Company can provide a customized solution that meets the specific needs of each customer. If you are interested in learning more about end effectors and how they can benefit your manufacturing operation, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can submit a request for more information or schedule a consultation with one of their experts. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the knowledge and expertise to help you optimize your manufacturing processes and achieve your production goals. FAQs. 1. What is an end effector in manufacturing? An end effector is a device or tool that is attached to the end of a robotic arm or other automated system. It is designed to perform a specific task, such as gripping, cutting, welding, or painting. End effectors are commonly used in manufacturing to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. 2. How do end effectors work? End effectors are typically designed to be modular and interchangeable, so they can be easily swapped out depending on the task at hand. They are controlled by the robotic arm or other automated system, which provides the necessary power and precision to perform the task. End effectors may use a variety of mechanisms, such as pneumatic or hydraulic actuators, electric motors, or magnets, to manipulate objects. 3. What are some common types of end effectors used in manufacturing? There are many different types of end effectors used in manufacturing, depending on the specific task and application. Some common types include grippers, which are used to grasp and manipulate objects, welding guns, which are used to join metal parts together, cutting tools, which are used to trim or shape materials, and paint sprayers, which are used to apply coatings to surfaces. Other types of end effectors include sensors, cameras, and other devices used for inspection and quality control. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.